Hello everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. In today's video, let us discuss a previous year GATE question from Digital Electronics from the topic multiplexers. I will read the question. In the circuit shown, W and Y are MSBs of the control inputs. Find the output F. These are the four options. So here there are two 4x1 multiplexers. In the first multiplexer, at I0 ground is connected. So we will take it as a 0. At I1 and I2, VCC is connected. So at I1 and I2, we put it as 1. And at I3, ground is connected. So we put a 0 here. The control inputs of first multiplexer is W and X. So depending on the input combination coming at W and X, any one input will be selected at the output. So if you write the truth table of the first multiplexer, we have to write the control inputs W and X here and the output Q here. Now we have to write all combinations of the control inputs. First combination is 0, 0, next 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now when first combination 0, 0 comes at the control input, the input I0, whatever value comes at I0, that will appear at the output. So here at I0 it is 0. So a 0 will come at the output. Now when Wx is 0, 1, I1 will be selected and this 1 will come at the output. So we get 1 here. Now when the input combination is 1, 0, this input I2 will be selected and the input coming here is 1. So at the output you get 1. Now again when the combination is 1, 1, this I3 will be selected. So the value coming here is 0. So at Q you will get a 0. So the Boolean equation for Q can be written as Q is equal to W bar X plus W X bar. Now to the second multiplexer, this Q is given to I0 and I1. At I2 and I3 ground is connected. So here 0 comes and here Q comes. Now the control inputs for second multiplexer is Y and Z. Depending on the input combinations coming at Y and Z, any one input comes at the output. The table of second multiplexer can be written like this. So here also there will be four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When 0, 0 comes here, I0 will be selected. So at I0 it is Q. So you write a Q here. When it is 0, 1, I1 will be selected. Here also it is Q. So you write Q here. Now when the combination is 1, 0, I2 will be selected. At I2 it is 0. And when combination is 1, 1, I3 will be selected. At I3 it is 0. So you get a 0 at F. Now we can write the Boolean equation for this. So we can write F is equal to Y bar Z bar Q plus Y bar Z Q. Now here in both the terms Y bar Q is common. So you can take it outside Y bar Q. So it will be Y bar Q into Z bar plus Z. When you do OR operation of a number with its complement, the value you get will always be 1. So here you can write it as Y bar Q. So you can write it as Q Y bar also. So this will be equal to Q is W bar X plus W X bar. So you substitute it here W bar X plus W X bar into Y bar. So F will be equal to W bar X Y bar plus W X bar Y bar. So this is the output F you get. So answer is option C. This is how you do this question. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.